Hello team, I just thought I'd take a few minutes to take you through how I do my daily bias. So it's really quite simple, it's kind of underwhelming, you might be happily surprised, but yeah, I'll take you through a few examples. So what I'm looking for if I'm going for the opposite direction, so if it was a bullish candle and I'm looking for bearish, I'm looking for signs of rejection. How would I do that? Let's find an example. So perfectly over here, you can see we have this bullish run up of the two blue candles. So these are all daily candles, by the way. On the next day, we have this dark black candle. So as we can see from this, what we've done is we've taken the high of the previous day's candle, we've gone up, we've run above it, and then we've rejected, we've come back down, and the day has closed all the way down here. So to me, I see this as signs of rejection. As we've failed to continue this bullish run, I'd now be looking for bears. As you can see, this time it played out for me as if I found a self setup in here, it would have worked out in my favour and run me all the way down here, which is a good little move. Again, you can see a few days later when it switches, we have this bullish candle here, signifying that we're going to be moving up. As you can see, it does the opposite. It takes out the low, doesn't close below it, signifying that the bearish pressure has been lost, and we create this nice blue candle. Now this would mean that on the next day, just here, I would be looking for buys. Hopefully if we found one within this wick, that would run us up very nicely all the way up here. So there you go, there's two quick examples. Now it does sometimes go wrong, so if you look at this big bearish candle here, this would mean I was looking for sells the next day. Obviously, that would not play out in my favour, as we probably would have got stopped out, not our trade. However, the day after, this candle here, as it fails to close below the low, it closes above it, and we get a blue candle. I would be looking for buys the next day. Most probably, we find a buy in this wick, and then look at that. We run up, potentially all the way up here. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. That's how I do my bias every day. Yeah, as Oscar, you were asking, the market conditions might be looking, let's have a look here. So it is slightly bullish, we're running up here, very slightly. It's kind of in consolidation, but if I was to pick one, I'd say we're bullish. I would still be looking for sells within this. The point of mine and Tom's strategy is we catch reversals. So if I was just trading with the trend, I'd never catch a reversal. I hope that clears that up and I hope it makes sense. And yeah, thank you for listening, guys.